Welcome to the Capital CFDs training tutorial on how to place a trailing stop on your open positions, and then I'll show you how to amend them. Trailing stops allow you the peace of mind to know that if a position moves in your favour, you no longer have to sit in front of the PC to move your stop, but instead our system will do it for you. In order to place a trailing stop, let me show you how via a trade on the Aussie US dollar position. Now, as you can see, I'm in the popular markets tab, and just down the bottom here we see the Aussie US dollar. I scroll over to the right hand side and I left click on the green trade button. Now on the right hand side it toggles my window open, and in order to view the trailing stops feature I just need to left click on the blue order button and it will toggle the rest of the window open. And as you can see, there's a tick box there for trailing. Now let me just tick that and show you how the trailing stops feature actually works. Now I'm going to buy at market on the Aussie US dollar, and that's going to get me in at around 1.0623. Now I need to place a stop some distance from that. So let me place my stop, for instance 20 pips away. And I could put an upper limit if I wanted to, a profit target. I might put that at 60 pips away. And I just want to explain a bit more about the trailing stop feature. Now the trailing stop, as you can see there, it says increment size is 10. Now in regards to FX, 10 or an increment size of 10 actually refers to pips. So this would be 10 pips away. Now my stop loss is going to be 20 pips away, as you can see here, from the current entry price. So if I got at 1.0623 or 24, my stop would be at 1.0604. Now my trailing stop feature will trail 10 increments behind that. So when my open position, if I executed and got in at 24, when the position moves to 34, my stop would move up from 1.0604 to 1.0614. So for every 10-point movement in the actual underlying foreign exchange position in the Aussie US dollar position, my stop will move up and it will maintain the distance at 20 pips away. So let me just go in and place that so you can see it. So I'm going to place my trade at 1.0624, and that was immediately executed, as you can see down the bottom here. I'm going to click on done. So currently my position is in, and I bought in at 1.06242. Now I just want to point out, in FX we do quote to the 5th decimal place, but that is not the increment that we talk about when we refer to trailing stops. It is 10 pips away, and it's not the 5th decimal place. 1 pip is the 4th decimal place. Now let me just go into the order book so I can show you how to adjust and amend your trailing stop. Now as you can see, my trailing stop is on with the green T button there, makes it very obvious. Now my level is 1.0604. Now the position is 1.0622, so I'm a little bit offside, but if this position moves up to 1.0634, which is 10 pips away from where my original one was, where my original order was placed, then my trailing stop will also move up, and it will go up another 10 pips to 1.0614. Now if I wanted to amend it, I just simply left click on the amend button, and it enables me the flexibility to adjust my stop accordingly. So this increment size will remain static at 10. You can't adjust that one, but you can then go and adjust your trailing stop. So I could change that to 30 pips away in this particular instance. Click on submit, and that has been updated, and now my trailing stop will be 30 pips away, and as the market moves up 10 pips in my favor, my trailing stop, or my stop, will then move up that 10 pips as well, and it will maintain the distance at 30 pips away from the current market. That concludes this training session, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.